maybe even double wages.
Pay them to earn their own jobs, man.
Senor, I'm just telling you, very scary.
Very well. I'm sure that my resources are not being squandered by this cabal of hooligans. I shall accompany you myself. First thing in the morning.
Now you're talking. What kind of gun you bring, huh? Bet you it's big and fancy.
I don't know about it.
This is the Wild West. You got me even down there.
You got it. Come on.
Senor Gomer, your horse is ready. Senor Gomer. What a... Senor, a hard day's ride over a very rough country.
This is the cross-country model. The horse can carry my kit. Off we go! Deplorable road conditions. No, I'd like some, oh, maybe just, thank you. Very good. I haven't been on a horse since my 6th birthday party. No, actually, that was a camel. Oh,
Mr. Gomer,
yes,
this is for you.
oh, I beg your pardon.
This is the Wild West. Never going north.
No, indeed.
Thank you, son.